What is good, everyone? Finally back to recording live every day for the next month and a half or so. Market just opened. I did wake up a little bit late, I'm not gonna lie. So I've just been kind of seeing, I'm a little flustered right now, but we're good. Nothing major is too happening, I would say, right now. We're just kind of in a supply zone. We're kind of near the highs for the day. So I would like to see, a potential short, as well as we could go all the way down here to 25-100 area, because this was the pre-market POC. I would say like 10 minutes before. We might get a potential entry here. If we can come back into this area, up here. This is the region I'm looking at. Let's see. We might just keep pushing down without touching my zone. But let's see, we're pretty close. Yeah, I might get short here.
Order filled.
Stop right above here. I might exit soon. I just need a quick pop down, break even. Let's see if my target gets hit.
Target filled.
Nice. And I would say just like that, we're kind of done for the day, honestly. I need to change this to 42 ticks, just so it counts the fees and stuff. Because I think for a mini, it's like $4 round trip, about $4 in fees. Yeah, I definitely could have entered like a little bit earlier around here, but I didn't perfectly touch the box. It was maybe like a couple ticks away from touching my box perfectly. I would say the main reason why I entered there was because I saw that the 144 candle closed, and then we also did close below the slow. So I was like, yeah, should probably be fine. I'm just gonna keep waiting and see like what kind of happens in the market, but I don't think I will enter another trade, to be honest. Let's see where the 50% level is. Oh, it's right where I was able to secure my profit. Okay. We gotta change. Take my nightlight off. There you go. So it has better contrast and color. yeah, so right now for I guess my little challenge / journey that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. Right now I only have one funded account with my funded futures. So we just took a payout, I would say last week, for the minimum payout, or I guess the maximum payout is what I took out, which was $1,000. But then, they get the 80-20 split, so I received $800. And I would say it was very quick payout. I got the email like right away, instantaneously, when it said, "Oh, your payout has been confirmed." And then I think it took maybe 2 more hours maybe for it to kind of just hit my bank account, or me to get an email that says the payout has been like transferred or something like that. I think it took a little bit longer than it probably usually does, because this is my first payout with them, so I didn't have any like form to fill out with them about the W-2s or W-9 or whatever, and they said that I had to kind of fill that out before. See, I could enter right here, and then stop would just be above these highs for a quick 10 points. So let's see if it gets down to like the 70 area. Or, yeah, about the 70 area. I don't know if it's gonna happen or not, because we've been fairly close to this zone. Over here, this low is at, let's see, the low, it's at 186, this high, 185.5, this high, 185.25. Yeah. But back to what I was saying is, yeah, sorry. I was just looking to see if there's like something else that was kind of happening. It's starting to go to that 70 area. Probably would have been at break even right now, honestly. Maybe get stopped out right there. What was I saying? Yeah, the payout stuff. Yeah, it overall was pretty quick. I've gotten payouts with Apex before, and it was quick, but I would say Apex was like a few days, I would say, but this was like extremely quick, which was nice for sure. Let me see what the 55 is looking like. Nothing good. The 34 didn't show anything good either. Yeah, you see, I definitely could have played this area, but I entered more early for sure. I could have waited, but you see how if I waited, it definitely went down way more. And it started to go down as it touched this flow, as it touched this guy. But yeah, with this one funded account I have, I'm not mad about it. I think I might purchase another account. I'm not sure with who. I gotta look into that. But yeah, do you think I'm gonna purchase another account soon? maybe another 2 accounts. Yeah, and I just want to share with you guys my journey about how I'm like kind of restarting with all my accounts, and just slowly building all my accounts. And it's also just to show you that like all you really need is one good trade, and one good trade with all these accounts. It's good. Let's actually see something real quick. I'm gonna go into my funded futures. I don't know if I'm gonna get more my funded future accounts, because they have like a new, I guess, policy where once you take out a payout for one of the accounts and you get like 5 payouts with like 30 like winning days above $100 or $200, then sorry, I got a little distracted. I kind of forgot what I was saying. Give me a sec. Oh yeah, so once you get like those 30 winning days, 5 payouts, then they'll want to transition you to live. And once you do that, you're not really allowed to have any more accounts, if that makes sense. Like any more evaluation accounts. And you're just stuck with, that live account. And with the live account, depending on the contract or depending on this evaluation size you have, you're only able to trade like 2 cons. And 2 cons, it's really, not too much. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this funded account once it gets to live. Not really sure. I don't know if I'm gonna try to get all 5 payouts. That would amount to $4,000 in my pocket, which will probably be towards the end of this month. I'm not sure. But yeah, let's see. This is where we're at right now. So this is my only funded account right now. So right now with this trade that we took today, we're around net profit loss would be another $200 up. Also this profit buffer $200 up. So we'll all of this will be around 52,550 ish. Maybe 560, which is, it's definitely good. And as you can see, I've just slowly been making strides for sure since September 15th. September 15th was the first day of this account, or this funded account. And you can see I had a nice rise. And then you do see that I do have a steep decline right here, but this decline was just that first payout. You can see I took out like 1,000, so it went from 52,675 to 51,875. I guess they only took out $800 because I guess that's like the profit split, the 80-20. Cool. So let's see what else we have. Available drawdown. We have a good amount of drawdown. Because I think with my funded futures account, on the 50K account, which is what this is the 50K core, I'm pretty sure it's $2,000 available drawdown. So now we're gonna be like almost at 2,500 available drawdown, which is, it's good, but it's not really too much of a concern for me because, I would say I'm fairly confident in my results for sure. So, this account has only been open for 3 weeks maybe? Since the 14th. Let's just say like maybe the 15th. So 1, 2, yeah, this is the 3rd week it's gonna be open. I already took a payout, which is, that's pretty good. So I think this account will either be trash by the end of this month, or it's gonna be turning into a live account. And by trash, I just mean like I'm either gonna be withdrawing the full maximum allowed, which would be like $4,000 that hits my bank account, or that, or like I'm not gonna take out all the money and just kind of cancel the account, and who knows, I could get like 5 trading accounts here, and then try to work that and try to get all of that to some live or payouts. Because if you have multiple trading accounts, then they'll kind of bring over the money from all of those trading accounts into the live account. So what I mean by that is, for the 50K account, they won't really bring your extra balance over to live. I think with live, you start with like maybe 2,500. So, but if you're in profit, like, say $5,000 on the 50K account, I don't think they're going to be bringing over like, the $5,000 plus the starting balance of 2,500. I don't really remember what it's going to start at, but I do know they don't bring over everything. So that's why I was like, all right, why am I going to try to bring my balance up high to trade more contracts and make more profit in a day if they're not really going to be bringing over so much of my profits from my express funded account to live. So we'll kind of see what happens. Yeah, so I can withdraw another $1,000 for sure, but I do need, so today is going to be my 3rd winning day, and then I'll need 2 more winning days. With 2 more winning days, I'll be close to $3,000 in profit, and then I'll just take out, the $1,000 out, which will put me around like 2,000. Winning days to live, we have 12 out of 30. So this is what the calendar looks like. Oh, look, you can see my withdrawal right here. Oh, good month. My withdrawal right here, the $1,000 withdrawal. And you can see my trades, my profitability. On Friday, I was break even. I did not record that day. But you can see the profits that we were in. We only had 1 red day so far. It's about 3 weeks ago, and just been consistently green. I would say in the beginning I was making a little bit more trades for sure. I was doing maybe I was trying to get at least 2 wins in a day. But also, if you like these higher trades, 6 trades, 5 trades, maybe even for the 4 trades, it's from, I probably took like an L first, and then those trades are just me trying to recuperate the losses. There's potential here on the 55 that I just saw. But yeah, these are my stats so far. Best trade 455, worst trade 450, pretty much 455 as well. And number of trades, number of contracts, average win, average loss, profit factor. I have 70% win rate. It's not bad considering that profit factor. It's pretty good. And these are just all the trades, I guess. Yeah, 70% win rates. I'm actually pretty proud about that. It's good. But also, I think this does take into account like break-even trades as losses, or even profits. So you can see this 0.32 is pretty much break-even trade, but it's profit. So it probably counts as a dub. This one. This one is a break-even trade, but it seems like it'd been a loss. This one's a break-even trade, that would have been a loss. Maybe this one, I'm not sure what's kind of going on there. This one, probably this one, this one. So you see how there's so many break-even trades that I guess were losses. So I guess in true losses, we've only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losses. And let's see. Oh, let me show you about the trade idea that's showing up right now. So we're in that retracement area for the 55. Yeah, we're in that retracement area for the 50 on the 233 area. I mean, you see this high right there. If I go into the 55, you can see that this high was not broken. This high is at 173.5. This high is at also at 173.5. And then we have a low here. We also have this low. This low was not able to break this low. This is a tick higher. I could enter short right now if I really wanted to. And then stop just above the highs. Because I would say this is a good area to be focused or to be looking at. But I mean, I don't think I'm going to enter short here. I'm not going to enter another play. Why risk it if, I can't even really take out that much more money on the 50K core account? Just doesn't really make sense to me. But yeah, this is another opportunity where I would probably go short. So let's just see what happens. So we have in total, I think 13 trades that were break even. Let me recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, maybe we have like 23 or so break-even trades, which is from the wins and losses. I think the 13 break-even trades was from the wins. Also, if I did enter here, I probably would have been a break-even for sure. Probably would have just got my order filled down here. Or maybe I wouldn't have gotten a fill at all. I don't know. Who knows? But yeah, anyway, so we have 23, and then we just have 53 trades, including today. So that puts us as 30 trades that were either profitable or losses. So ones that hit my target profit or my stop loss. And out of those trades, we have one that were like actual losses. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losses. So that puts us at what, 22 to 30. Yeah, so it's still like it's a 73% win rate. It's still good. All right, yeah, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna end the stream. It's not even a live stream yet. Ooh, yeah, this is actually a good spot too that I didn't see. I was looking at the 233, but again, like, it makes no sense to really enter more positions. Actually, it doesn't look as good as I thought. I thought this was the low area, or this was the first touch in that retracement area, especially I thought these were the lows. I didn't realize this was the low over here. Never mind. But yeah, I'm telling you, just like that one trade a day is fine with me. There's really no need to get more. Yeah, I'm gonna end it there. So just be patient, trade your model, and stay safe. Peace.